Hey guys, welcome to Drew Tutorial. If you are new here, special welcome. In this video, I will show you how to fix shutdown issue on Windows. So the first thing that we are going to do right here is to go into our search bar and then search for Control Panel. After that, just click on Open. And then in this part, just go here on the View By and then make sure that you check Large Icons. And then after that, in this part, we're going to look for Power Options. So click on Power Options right there. And then in this part, we're going to click on choose what the power buttons do. So once you click that, in this part, you will see this when I press the power button. You have two options when on battery are plugged in. And if you want to turn it off, just click this and then click on shutdown. Same goes for this one. And then if you want to also change this and this, you can also do that, but I will just leave it as it is. And then after that, make sure to also turn on fast startup. And then after that, just click on Save Changes. Once you click on Save Changes, what we're going to do next is to go here on the search bar and then search for CMD and then run it as administrator. And then in this part, we're going to type power CFG space H space off. And then after that, just click on enter. And then once you click on enter, once it is done, just go here on your Windows icon and then just restart your PC or laptop. After that, once you restart it, that should fix your problem.